Hey, foodies! Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a flavorful journey around the world. Today, we're diving into the heart and soul of Brazilian cuisine with a mouth-watering dish, feijoada. Join us as we savor the rich flavors and cultural significance of this iconic Brazilian food. Feijoada, a traditional Brazilian dish, is a delicious black bean stew with a rich blend of meats. The making process starts with soaking black beans overnight. On the cooking day, various meats like pork, beef, and sausages are browned in a large pot, along with onions and garlic. The soaked beans are then added, and everything simmers together with water and flavorful spices, such as bay leaves and cumin. This slow cooking process allows the meats to tenderize and infuse the beans with their savory essence. The result is a hearty and comforting stew that epitomizes Brazilian culture and culinary heritage. Feijoada is typically served with rice, collard greens, farofa, and orange slices, creating a vibrant and soul-satisfying meal enjoyed during special occasions and gatherings with loved ones. But before we dig in, let's learn a bit about the history of feijoada. This hearty and savory dish has its roots in the African diaspora during the time of Portuguese colonization in Brazil. Enslaved Africans combined their culinary traditions with local ingredients, resulting in this delicious and soul-nourishing meal. Feijoada is a flavorful black bean stew that's packed with a variety of meats like pork, beef, and sausage. It's slow cooked with onions, garlic, and a mix of spices that create a symphony of flavors. The magic happens when all the ingredients simmer together, infusing the beans with the essence of the meats. Feijoada is not just a meal, it's an experience. In Brazil, it's typically served on special occasions and weekends, as it's a labor of love that takes time to prepare. Families and friends gather around the table, creating a sense of togetherness and celebration. Now, let's talk about the flavors. Feijoada's rich and smoky taste is a party for your taste buds. The tender meats, creamy black beans, and savory broth blend perfectly, creating a comforting and satisfying dish. It's often served with rice, collard greens, farofa, toasted cassava flour, and orange slices, adding a burst of freshness to the meal. Feijoada isn't just about its delicious flavors, it holds a special place in Brazilian culture. It symbolizes unity, as people from all walks of life come together to enjoy this traditional dish. Feijoada also represents the country's diverse heritage, honoring the contributions of African, Portuguese, and Indigenous influences in Brazil's identity. Beyond its mouth-watering taste, feijoada offers nutritional benefits too. It's a protein-packed meal with essential nutrients, and the combination of beans and meats provides a balanced source of energy. Spice it up. No feijoada is complete without the famous Brazilian hot sauce, pimenta. This fiery condiment adds a kick of flavor to the dish and enhances the overall experience. Brazilians take pride in their pimenta recipes, and it's a must-try for adventurous food lovers. Here's a fun fact: in some regions of Brazil, feijoada is believed to bring good luck and prosperity. It's a popular choice for special occasions, such as weddings and New Year's celebrations, where people hope to attract positive energies and blessings. So, there you have it, feijoada, the heart and soul of Brazilian cuisine. This dish represents more than just a meal, it embodies the spirit of togetherness, celebration, and cultural richness. If you ever get the chance to taste feijoada in Brazil or make it at home, don't miss out on this incredible culinary experience. If you enjoyed uncovering these exciting facts, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow foodies. Subscribe to our channel for more delightful discoveries from around the world. Thank you for joining us, and as they say in Brazil, bom appetite. Enjoy your feijoada.